Pepsi, live for now.
I can't throw it to myself and catch it, or otherwise I would.
After Santonio Holmes made those comments on Thursday afternoon, Newsday and the Daily News covered their back pages with that story on Friday morning. Upon hearing the remarks, WFAN's Craig Carton couldn't help himself, reflecting back to Holmes' infamous fumble against San Francisco last season.
Of course, you could throw it to yourself, catch it, and then just hand it off to the San Francisco 49ers.
Yes, you could do that.
You could be the first guy to ever do that in a game, you know.
Seth Walder of the Daily News looks even further back for his criticism of the temperamental wide receiver. The last time Holmes was upset about not getting the ball, it came in the form of a confrontation with teammates in Miami, as Gang Green's 2011 season crumbled in Week 17. It didn't take long for Holmes to catch wind of the firestorm, tweeting at 4:45 Friday morning. What a great morning to awake to hear the media frenzy about Holmes quitting on his team, and he sucks, and he's always blaming someone else. Holmes followed up with this tweet a half hour later. For the record, this media stuff never distracts me. I hate that our Jets fans have to read this crap when things aren't going good. The funny thing here is, with these comments and the reaction afterwards, nobody is focusing on what's really important. Holmes has an injured hamstring and won't play versus the Falcons on Monday night. For Recapr, presented by Pepsi, I'm Nancy Ward. Get the whole story here.